familiar beat that once you hear it, you know what's coming next. It was the song that would change the life of a long-waiting singer forever. The beginning of what would be a parade of hits, creating the persona Father Festival. The year was 1971, and Eric Donaldson was working an odd job painting houses. But his true aspiration was to establish himself as a singer, doing what he loved most and earning from it. His ambition brought him in and around the music circuit, at studios writing for established singers, hugging the spotlight he was longing for. But let's take it back a little further.
1970, there was a producer called Mr. Minot coming here looking some reggae song, hit songs. I go to audition with him at Dynamic Sounds. The Slickers was there and Iman was there. About maybe 20 artists was there. But it come down to two songs, which was Cherry Oh Baby and Johnny Too Bad. The guy was there talking and complaining and he don't know which one of the song to sing, to pick, and he picked Johnny Too Bad.
Walking down the road with the pistol in your waist, Johnny you're too bad.
One of the time I end up at Derek Harriet Place and King Street. Come like Derek never recognized the song either and he picked a song over my song called Love I. And I said, boy, are you going to the competition with Cherry Oh Baby? Because I still have my mind on it. So it's a good song.
Yes, his confidence in Cherry Oh Baby persisted, despite it being passed over several times.
There was a man in the area called Mr. Daly, and I was painting his house with the Cherry Oh Baby song in my pocketbook, and like one of the man I come to paint, and I said, but Eric, I hear that is a crooner. You know, and I said, yes, I said, what do you have? So I sing the song for him, the Cherry Oh Baby, and he said, boy, that song deserves a prize, you know, Eric. And even that boosts me and give me some more impetus to move on with the Cherry Oh Baby.
He entered the 1971 Jamaica Festival Song Competition for the first time, and
exactly what I think would happen, that's what happened. I was a winner.
Eric admits that this was a song that propelled his music in and outside of the national competition. So, who is Cherry?
It don't base off of nothing personal. But there's a rumor going around that there was a girl living in the area named Cherry. And there's a rumor going around that Cherry was my girl. But Cherry wasn't my girl. And I want to tell you too, the name of the song wasn't Cherry Oh Baby. It was singing, oh, 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 my little darling. And then somehow on the last verdict I said, put Cherry Oh, call her name, you know. It's just a name.
Sweet Jamaica is now on the move. Help me with my song and let the people them come sing along. Take up your cutlass, a shovel and your hoe. Take up your books, them people let us go. Call out the youth man, brother, let us show. Sweet Jamaica, we really want to grow.
Eric's second win 6 years later, and most definitely a hit, was Sweet Jamaica, a song written by his friend Winston Wallace.
I said, Wallace, this song going to win, you know. Yeah. So you certain? I said, yeah, man. So you take it to Grub Cooper and Fab 5 and they recorded it and I voiced it and it was exactly so.
That year, he won 3 prizes for Sweet Jamaica: Best Song, Best Performer, and Best Singer. Wallace's second offer would be no different when the duo collaborated again the following year.
I will never leave her shores. I will never run away. I will always believe in the black, the green, the gold, I say.
Music is something that is inborn, you know. Because from a tender age, I used to just hear the sound of music in my ears and listening to other type of music on the radio, and it's like something just inject the music in my system. So I just say I'm going to choose music.
The catalyst to that melodic injection started as early as 13 years old, when young Eric would peruse the local papers for lyrics to his favorite songs.
They used to have those songs coming out in the Star. I think every evening they used to have songs from America come out in the Stars. Stackerly, them type of music. So I used to cut them out and paste them in my exercise book till I have a fat exercise book. I started to practice those songs and learn off some of them too, you know.
You check a ride on a minibus. Destination Kingston, the Kingston. Suddenly we came to a stop, and then I look around. It was red lights, green lights, yellow lights, turning upside down.
Having won the competition 7 times, Eric is a staple in Jamaican festival music. And while he is grateful for this, he is bemused as to why this love has not filtered to the tracks he has made outside of the competition by the people in the land of his birth. All the while, Brazil and countries in Africa have embraced Eric's other songs over the years.
The same love of the common people, Lonely Nights, Cinderella, It Is Love I Gave You, Trouble in Africa, Give Me Some Loving. All those songs are hit songs in different countries. I will sing them all 2 different times on stage. One thing I say, all these songs that I do, and they are hit songs in different countries, right? I want to know if these songs are not good enough for Jamaica people. Otherwise, the people who are listening to my songs and accept them, they must be stupid. In Jamaica, I have all the knowledge.
His frustration has not dampened the mood of this proud Jamaican. He is proud of the platform the competition has given him, and at 77 years old, he is still going strong.
With a whole heap of sweat and tears, we have journeyed.